Okay, now in here they ask to make t the subject of this formula, right? So here you can see we need to make t as subject, and t is in two place, right? Here also we have t, here also t, right? Keep mind, when you need to make something as subject and it is in two place, right? Keep mind you need to do at one step, that letter you have to factorize, right? So keep in mind that. Let's restart, do this question, right? Now here what I can do now, I will try to make somehow this t square and this minus t square, this letters to put one side. So what I will do here, I will apply cross multiplication, because why? Here we have equal sign, here single fraction, here single fraction, then we can apply the cross multiplication, right? So 1 plus t square into x, so I can write it like this, x into 1 plus t square, right? You know this cross multiplication, then 1 into 1 minus t square. So by 1 no, we multiply, so you don't need to represent it, because when you multiply by 1 nothing happens, same thing will come. So 1 minus t square. And then now what we have to do, now we can multiply by x this both terms, right? Here bracket, no, this numerator with this denominator we need to multiply. Okay, now here x into 1, so x 1 into 1 1, x x into 1 x into t square, it will be x t square, and here 1 minus t square. Right, now what we need to do, like I told you earlier, this t terms put to one side. Now here we have xt square and here minus t square. I will bring this minus t square to this side, and this x I will bring to here. So it will like this, x t square. When I bring this minus t square to here, it will be plus t square. Here 1. Then when I bring this plus x to this side, it will be minus x. Right, now what, this is the situation I told you earlier. What I need to get this t square to outside, right? Basically factorize, right? We need to factorize this part, then we can get t square to outside. So if I get t square to outside, here what they remain, here x into t square, no, t square if I get to outside, it will be here remain only x. Here some thing, here if we get t square outside, here nothing remain, no, so, wrong. Here 1 into t square, no, normally we can think here coefficient, but the value of in front of t square should be 1. So if I get t square outside, here will be plus 1 remaining, right? Or otherwise you can think t square to t square multiply with this 2, you need to make these two terms again, right? So that's why here here must be 1. Then now you can get t square into 1 t square, like that. Okay, now here 1 minus x. Now I need to make t somehow subject, right? So what we need to do, x plus 1, try to remove. Now this is like you can think here x into y. So to remove y, you need to divide both sides by y. It's like this. Now normally you know this now, like this, when you have 6 or something, if you need to remove this 2, what you do, divide both sides by 2. Same like here you should do, to remove this x plus 1, both sides divide by x plus 1. You can think this has a one term, this is inside the bracket, so you can think this has a one term, x plus 1 has a one term, right? I divide this side by x plus 1, here also I need to divide by x plus 1. So here x plus 1 to x plus 1 cut, here you will have t square equal 1 minus x over x plus 1. Now still we have not the final answer, because we got t square. They asked to make t as subject. So how to remove this square? Simply we need to put square root sign for the both side of this equation, left and right, put the square root. Then this square to square root cut, here we will get just only t, and here you will have what the square root 1 minus x over x plus 1, right? So yeah, this is the answer for